Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Before you begin, understand that developer mode erases local data on your Chromebook. Back up important files to cloud storage or an external drive first. You will need a charged battery above 50% and an internet connection for updates. Plan for about 10 to 20 minutes to complete the process, depending on your model. Also note that warranty terms can change for some manufacturers when developer mode is enabled. Gather a USB recovery drive beforehand if you may want to revert quickly. Start by powering off the Chromebook fully and then enter recovery mode. Hold ESC and refresh while pressing the power button for 7 seconds. When you see the screen that reads Chrome OS is missing or damaged, press Ctrl+D. The prompt will ask to turn OS verification off. Press Enter to confirm. The device will transition and reboot while it prepares developer mode. Wait about 5 to 15 minutes as the system performs initial setup and clears local storage. After rebooting in developer mode, you will see a warning screen on every boot. To access a developer shell, press Ctrl+Alt+T, then type shell and press Enter. You can enable SSH or load custom firmware only after understanding risks. To revert to normal Chrome OS, enter recovery mode and restore from USB recovery media to remove developer mode. Remember that developer mode disables some verified boot protections and might affect updates and warnings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.